In this video, I'm going to explain how you can use Afterpay on Uber Eats. What we want to do is just load up the Uber Eats app, and here I'll just make a sample order. So for example, let's go to McDonald's and let's get this sausage and egg McMuffin. So after we add this to our cart, we will just click on View Cart, and we want to go to the checkout. Now, just gonna click on No Thanks. Okay, so you will see Uber Cash and add a payment method. Now, not all of the locations will accept Afterpay. However, if you click on add a payment method and you see Afterpay here, then you can use it and apply it to your current order. However, like I said, not all of the locations will use Afterpay, and you won't be able to pay with Afterpay on every single DoorDash delivery. Or Uber Eats delivery, sorry. So I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.